Hey, welcome back guys to the shoe project. In this tutorial, we are going to create this design. I'll show you what we are going to create overall, and then we will start with HTML and CSS. So without further ado, let's get started. We have the Nike logo here, then we have the nav bar, all the thing, then we have this search icon, we have user icon. This I'll show you afterward. Then we have this shoe image. When I hover on it, it will get tilted for 45 or something 15-degree. Then we have this icons available, shoe icons. When I click on any of this icon, the shoe will be available. And again, we have this, transition of 25, 45 or 15, degrees. We have another shoes. When I hover on it, again, the same effect. All this description will not get changed. It will be same as this, but the images will get changed. Again, we have the dark mode. When I click on it, you'll see the site in a black background. When I again click on it, and now if you'll see, the button shows light mode. When I click on light mode, it will be a light mode, and the logo will also change. I mean, it is now black. When I click on it, when the background is black, the logo will be white. So this website looks good. That is what we are going to do. It is a basic website, but a good looking website. The UI is good, the transition and everything is good. So yeah, that is what we are going to do. So without further ado, let's get started. I'll start with HTML, then we will start with CSS. So we'll design all the page with HTML, then we will write the CSS for this. So without further ado, let's get started. I will close this, and here inside YouTube, inside HTML CSS only, I'll create new file, and I will give a name as shoe project. So let's go, and I will open it, show more option, open with code. I will create index.html, exclamation mark. Here I will add Nike Air Max, save it. We will be having the font awesome icons, so I'll add the font awesome as well. Font awesome CDN. I'll open this. I'll copy this and I will paste it here. So here I have to write the HTML. So first I'll create div main hyphen container. Inside main container, we will have the nav bar, and inside this we will be having the shoe logo. I haven't added the images, so I'll create one folder. This will be shoe images as capital. And if I go to my folder, here I have all the images, so I'll copy it. I will go to my code here, reveal in file explorer, and I will paste it here. And if you will see, now we have all the images available here. We will be having image src. You can remove the src set, and here you can add shoe image, Nike logo. This will be having the id Nike logo, or maybe Nike hyphen logo. This, and we will be having the multiple href. We have the home. I will copy it and I will paste it for 5 more times. Here we will be having the men's, kids, new arrivals, about us, contact us. This will have a class fa hyphen solid fa hyphen magnifying hyphen glass. Same way I will copy it and I will paste it here, and this will be the fa user. After this we have to come outside this div, and here we will be having another div called container. This will be top hyphen container. There will be a left hyphen container. Image src set, can remove the alt and src. This will be again the shoe image and new image. This will have a class of shoe hyphen image. We will be having another div. This will be right hyphen content. Now inside right content we will be having the h1, and this h1 will have a class of big hyphen text. We will be having the heading. I'm not going to write the heading. I'll just copy it. I will paste it from here. You can get it. Then we will have p tag. P will have a class of description, and again you can get the text from here. You can copy it, you can paste it here. After p tag we will be having the h2. This will have a class product hyphen name. Now we are done with this. Inside this only we will be creating the another div. This will be right hyphen image hyphen container. So again this will have multiple images, so I'll copy it, I'll paste it here. We will not be having this class, but instead we will be having the class box. We'll copy it and we will paste it 3 more times. So this was new image. We will remove this and we will add small image 1. We will have small image 2, and we will have small image 3. Save it, and this div is done. This is also done. We will come outside the top container, and inside the content container, before closing of that, we will be having the another class bottom hyphen content. We will be having the h2. I will copy it from here. We will be having the p tag, again get it from here, then we will have H3 DEL. DEL means it will cross the $1,000 and it will show the $500 when I'll add strong. So strong will be $500. Should add space as well. And we are done with this. We'll add 50% off. Now we will be adding the two buttons. So first button, this will have a class add hyphen to hyphen cart. It will say add to cart. Same way we will be adding the another button, and this will be buy now. I'm not sure if we will be writing the CSS for buy now or add to cart. It's just that we have to add the CSS for button, but again it's better to add it. Save it. Now we are done with the HTML part. We have to work on CSS now. So what I'll do, I will create one more file here outside the shoe image, and I will add the style.css. Save it. And here what we have to do, we have to add the link as well. So link CSS done. Root, we will be adding the box sizzling border box. Also guys, when you are typing the CSS, just check each and every CSS. I mean, if we do change to our CSS, just go and check what changes it has done to your page. So what I'll do, I'll just run the file, I'll run the HTML, and we'll see. So now this is how our page looks. There is no styling or nothing. It looks like this. We have to style our page. So what I'll do, I will go to the CSS and I will start with the body first. So body, background color, D6E, 5EC. Padding will be 0. Margin will be 0. Transition will be 0.6s. Is in out. Main container width 100%. Padding will be 20 pixels. Now we will see how it looks. This is how it looks. We have the background color, but other than that, doesn't look good. Again, we have to go and we have to work on nav bar. Height will be 60 pixels. Display flex. Justify content space around, which means it will be having the spaces in between the navigation. So this will be center. Background transparent. Position absolute. Width 100%. Font weight 600. Cursor pointer. Now we will see how it looks. Again, doesn't look good. We'll go here and we have to work with navbar G image max height will be 50 pixels and max width will be 100 pixels. Object fit will be contain. Let's see now how it looks. If I go here, this is how it looks. We have the logo and all. Also guys, if you go here, you can remove the, this one will be fine. Again, you can go into CSS, navbar image. We will be having navbar a tag, text decoration none, color will be black, padding will be 10 pixels. Save it. Now you'll see this is how it looks good. I guess we haven't added the search here. It is here, but I'm not sure we have made certain mistake or what. FA magnifying, magini, not magnifying. Now we'll go. We have the search icon available. Go here. We have navbar I tag. Padding will be 10 pixels. We have navbar A hover, navbar A, sorry, I hover, background color RGBA 3, 31, 21, 0.966. Color will be white, border radius 4 pixels, transition 0.6 seconds, is in, out. Now I'll see when I hover on it, this looks good. Yeah. Now what I'll do, I will go and I will work on content container. So this you can copy and you can paste it here. Margin top will be 80 pixels. Max width will be 75%. Margin left will be auto. Margin right will be auto. Background color will be F3EE F2. Border radius 10 pixels. Box shadow 10 pixels, 10 pixels, 15 pixels. RGBA 0.1. Padding 50 pixels. Position relative, overflow, visible, top hyphen content. You can get it from, oh, it is container, not content. This will be display, flex, justify, content, space, between. We have the left container as well. So left, copy it, width will be 50%, display, flex, justify, content, center, align item, center, position relative, left hyphen 150 pixels, z hyphen index 1. Then we will be having, sorry, we have made mistake here. Can remove this and keep it here. So shoe image we have to get shoe image, the width 100%, transform, rotate minus 15 degree, and transition of 2 seconds, 0.2 seconds. Now we will go to our page, and if we look, will be nothing. We won't be able to see anything. Shoe image. I will do shoe image hover, and this will be transform, rotate 0 degree, transition 0.2 seconds, and cursor pointer. If we will see now, we have to go to the top. If you'll see here, you'll be able to see it is getting rotated. Now we have the right content. Okay, where it is here, right content. Copy it, paste it here. Width will be 50%, padding left of 20 pixels, and z index will be 2. We have the background color transparent. Now we will see this. So this is how it looks. This looks good. We styled our page for shoe image, and here right content, if you'll see, we have our images available here now, and we have to work on that right now. I guess we have made certain changes here. Looks good, not sure, but we will see if there is anything. Right content, we have the big text, right, which is here. So big text, font size will be 2.5 rem, font weight 100, dot description margin top 20 pixels, font size 1.2 rem, product hyphen name, font hyphen weight bold, margin hyphen top 10 pixels, save it. Then we have the right hyphen image container. So again, can just copy it from here. Description and everything looks good. Display, flex, justify content, space around, margin top of 20 pixels, flex, wrap, wrap. We have the class box, height will be 60 pixels, width will be 80 pixels, padding of 10 pixels, border 2 pixels, solid, black, border radius 5 pixels, box shadow 5 pixels, 5 pixels, 15 pixels, RGBA 001, oh sorry 0.1, cursor pointer, I will scroll it down, and here we will be having the bottom content, right? So just copy it and paste it. Text align center, margin top 50 pixels, bottom content H2, sorry, H2. We have the H2P, H3 and all. So we'll work on H2 first. H2 font size 1.8 rem, margin bottom we have 10 pixels, again bottom content p tag, font size 1.2 rem, margin bottom 20 pixels. Now we have last two CSS, which is add to cart. So just copy it, add to cart, and buy now. You can just write it directly for the button, no need to add the class, or you can add the class, up to you. So we will be having the background color red, maybe you can add some shade of it, something like this. Color will be white, padding will be 10 pixels top bottom, 20 pixels left right, border none, cursor pointer, margin 0, top bottom 10 pixels left and right, font size 1 rem, transition, background hyphen color 0.3 s, is border radius 4 pixels. Now we have the add to cart, we have buy now, and that's it. Background color will be dark red. Now I'll save it and let's see how our page looks. Here we have added everything, but why I'm not sure, this doesn't look good. We don't, the icons are not available. I guess we have made something in the CSS main container navbar. Looks good. Main container, okay, here. So it is the main container, right? Main container, and this will be pixels. So I'll save it and let's see now. This is how it looks, guys. We have the icons, navbar and everything available. We have the icon and this thing available here. What I'll do, I will add one button. So after this icon, I will add button. This will have ID, dark mode, toggle, and this will say dark mode. I will save it. That's it for this. We have to work on CSS as well. So I will go to the CSS and I will start with the body, dark hyphen mode. So we are going to add this classes, which we are going to, do all the changes from the JavaScript. I'll show you that color will be black and background color was black, and this will be white. Transition 0.6 second is in out. Now we have the dark mode navbar. So this dot nav bar a. So if you have seen, we have added the nav bar, we have added the a. So that we have to do for the dark background. I mean for dark mode. So again we have this nav bar. Can copy it. You can paste it here, and this will be I tag. Here we will be adding the color white, transition 0.6 seconds is in out. Now again we will be having the dark color navbar a hover, comma, and I hover background color RGBA 255, 255, 255, and 0.966. Color will be black. Border radius will be 4 pixels. Transition will be 0.3 seconds. And here we have to style the content container as well. This will be background color 222, a lighter shade of black it will be, and color will be white. Now we will be having this ID also on this one. Also we removed earlier ID. You can add the ID. I just added it right now. You can add that. Background color will be 333. Color will be again white. Padding will be 10 pixels. Border will be none. Cursor pointer. Font weight bold. Border radius will be 5 pixels. Then we have dark mode toggle. Hover, and background color will be 5 3 times. I'll save it. There will be no difference to it, just with the button which we have added, I guess. Let's run this. So this is how it looks. If you see, we have the button for dark mode. Now what we have to do, we have to work on the click of this button. Then we have to work on the this icon as well. I guess I haven't added correct image here, so I'll go. I'll close this also. I haven't closed that. So this, what I'll do here, it was small shoe one. Now, if I will see that, this is here a black shoe. Now, what we have to do, we have to create the script.js and we have to add that. I will create that now, script.js, and I will add it here, script src script.js. We will work on JS now. Script.js, we will create the const. This will be dark toggle equals document dot get element by ID. We can get the ID from here. We will add it here. Then we will have another const. This will be a Nike logo is equal to document dot get element by ID. Nike logo, which is available here, so I'll copy it and I will paste it here. Now what we have to do, we have to add one function, and this will be for change shoe image. This will be image src, and const main image is equal to document dot query selector dot shoe image. Okay, so this we have to get, and we have to add that here. We have to add the dot because it is class, and main image dot src is equal to image src. So what I'll do, I'll go to the browser and we will check if we are able to see the image. If I click on it, I can see nothing. I'll inspect this. Okay, we won't be able to see anything because we have to add the on click on the image. So what I'll do, I will go here, and here it will be on click will be our function name here, and it will be this in single quotes, and paste it. I will copy it and I will paste it here, here, and here. We'll get this link and I will add it here. I will add this here, and I will add this here. So guys, why we are adding this? It is because in JavaScript we are getting the image link from that class, and we are adding to our main image, which is the main image, which is this one, right? This is our main image, which is the bigger image in our project, which is this one. So whatever we are getting from the function, we are adding in this place. Now let's work on another function. Now we have dark mode toggle dot add event listener click comma function document dot body dot class list dot toggle dark hyphen mode Nike logo dot style dot opacity will be 0, and we will add the set timeout. Inside this again we will have the round bracket if document dot body dot class list dot contains dark hyphen mode, then Nike logo dot src is equal to double quotes shoe images slash Nike white, which we can get it from here, and it will be JPG. G. We have dark model toggle dot text content is equal to double quotes light mode, else Nike logo dot src is equal to the image which we have already added, right? So this one, and dark toggle content will be this. It was light, now it will be again dark. Will come outside else, and here the Nike logo dot style dot opacity will be 1. Here it will be 500, and that's it. Now if we go and if I click on dark mode, there might be some issue to this. Okay, add event listener. I have messed up with the spelling. This will work now. If I click on it, you'll be able to see the background color and the container color has changed and everything looks good. The Nike logo is also changed, but when I click on it, nothing happens. I guess we have messed up with the, here, maybe, let's see. It will be query select, not all, but a select. If I save it now and if I see, if I click on it, it is getting changed. And now this black, and I click on dark mode, this looks good. This looks very good UI with the black color and the black shoes. It is definitely looking a better UI. I mean, the shoe is looking kind of 3D image stick to a website. So guys, that is it with the shoe project. uh, Whatever we told we have achieved, and I'll be back with another series like this, I mean another project like this, where we will work on HTML CSS and we will create a good UI. So stay tuned. Thank you and bye.